complete the three-point play. Moving the score up 7 against 0. 8 minutes, 18 seconds. Here's now number 4, Libero. Pass to his teammate. Recovered by number 4. Short. Number 29, outlet pass to his teammate for a touchdown. Remaining time, 7 minutes, 59 seconds. 7:59. First quarter. Score 9 against 0. Naga City basketball. Here's number 7. Number 7 of Naga City, number 1 rather of Naga City, harassed by number 29. Kicks out to Libero. Number 4, floater, no good. Number 1 with a recovery and a putback for 2 points. Here's now number 0. Harassed by number 1. Kicks out for 3. Venga for 3 points. Number 29. Here's number 1. Time to shoot. 5. Number 5. Foul spotted against number 29. Hit. Substitution left. Number 6 and number 12 coming in, replacing number 7 and Calibero. Number 10, Naga City. Finds number 2. Number 2 with a shoulder, no good. And there's a foul. Spotted against number 2. Holding foul. Number 2, that's your first personal foul. 3rd, team foul. Number 5. Number 0. Inside pass. Stolen by Naga City. Number 1, harassed by number 3. Heads up player. There's now number 29.
Yay!
2 points for Camarines Norte. Province. Moving the score to 16 against 4. 14 to shoot. Number 2 with offensive rebound. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Number 10. No good. There's a foul spotted. Substitution. Number 10 out. Number 8 coming in. Number 10, that's your second personal foul. 4th. Team foul, warning for penalty.
Yay!
Moving the score out to 19 against 4. 5.5, first quarter. Number 8. Floater, no good. Number 2 in offensive rebound. Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Follow up. No good again. And here's now.
Yeah! Yeah!
17-point lead by Team Camarines Norte. Number 1. Number 2, para for the loose ball.
Yun!
Number 5.
Yeah! Mayo pa rin tubig.
This is now a 19-point lead by Team Camarines Norte. 14 to shoot. Nice play there by number 6. And here's another touchdown. Number 2. No good. And still. And same ball. Substitution, rep number 11 coming in, replacing number 1. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Number 11 pulls out for 3. Short. Offensive rebound by number 6. Number 11 for the rebound. Number 2 fakes. Another fake. Yes, sir! What a move by number 2. Dalawang 18 years old.
Galawang 18.
17 years old, sorry. Number 0, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. No basket, traveling infraction. Spotted by veteran Andy Valiente. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 22 seconds. Another steal. Number 3. Number 3 now. Stolen. Number 6. Short. Number 0 with the recovery. Pass to number 5 with a fake. Inside pass. Black. And Naga City now with the possession. Long shot, long rebound. Floater. Number 5 now.
Yun!
Number 3 with an easy basket. Number 6, pass to his teammate, no good again. Number 8 with the rebound. Basket count. There's a foul spotted against number 2. Number 2, that's your second personal foul penalty. Short for number 7, Antigua. Recovered by number 7. Kicks out to number 29. Short. Number 6 now with the rebound. Number 6 almost but not quite. 2 shots however for number 6. Number 5. Substitution. Number 2. Short.
Dua daw a 5.
Short again, number 8 with the offensive rebound. Another short. And same ball.
Yun ang number.
Nice pass. Number 23 now. Pass to number 29. Back to number 23.
Ay!
And here's now Naga City. There's a ball and a basket for number 11. Number 7. Bonus quick throw for number 11. Number 7, that's your first personal foul, third team foul. Offensive rebound, number 10. 10 to shoot. Number 8, no good. Number 7, on a rebound. Here's now Norte. Number 5.
Yun! Pasok! Yun!
Number 7. Here's now Naga City with the possession, under a minute to play. 14 to shoot. Blocked but recovered by number 10 for 2 points. Number 5. 3-point short. Number 11 with the rebound. There's a foul spotted against number 23. Number 23, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 11, Palobong Tira, basket for 2 points. Cutting the lead now to Baker's dozen at 13. Number 5, uses the handle. Naga City basketball. 19 seconds. 19 seconds. 14. 10. There's a foul spotted against number 8. Number 8, that's your first personal foul penalty. First throw, basket, 7.7 seconds remaining, 7.7 seconds. Perfect from number 10, 7 seconds. Number 8. No basket. End of the first period. Official score, 29 against.
Ang higpit pa ni
Samson Boogie for our second quarter. Dam Norte basketball. Number 0. Pass to number 5.
Yay!
Benga for 3 points for number 5.
Yun!
Number 3, and Santos.
Yo!
There's a foul spotted. It's number 11. Number 11, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. Inside pass. Yes, sir, for 2 points. Number 11. Number 3, Apuya. Pass to number 0.
Tapos, yun! Sayang!
Number 11 now. Number 6. Yes, sir. 4 quick points for Naga City. Number 3. Turnover out of bounds, Naga City basketball. For 14 to shoot. Power play, but there's a foul spotted against number 5. Number 5, that's your first personal foul, second team foul. First throw, basket. Number 10, second final throw. And up. Number 8, offensive rebound and a putback for 2 points. Cutting down the lead to single digits at 9 points. Acrobatic pass. 10 to shoot. Easy basket by number 5. $14 to shoot.
Yun.
No good.
Yun. Ay! Ay!
Turnover, Naga City basketball.
Sayang.
6 minutes, 26 seconds. 6-26. Number 11. In the paint. And stolen by Kamlope. Number 5, pulls up. Yes sir, for 2 points. Nice throw around the outside. Same ball, Naga City basketball. 5 minutes, 59 seconds. 5:58. Number 6. 14 to shoot.
Ayun!
By number 5.
Go!
With a touchdown.
Yay!
Time out, Naga City. Back to the ball game.
Oy, back to double. Hello!
Back to the ball game, Tam Norte. With Gatorade. Courtesy of the teachers. Of course. MOOE. My own operating expenses. Here's now number 0. Harris by number 11. 14 to shoot.
Yun!
Nice play.
Yay! Ah, sayang.
Completed. Number 2, Kuya with the rebound.
Yun!
The libero. Pass to number 8. Back to libero. And there's a foul spotted. Against 0. Number 0, Attorney. That's your first personal foul. 13 fouls for Attorney. Number 4, libero. First throw, basket. Second and final throw. 100%. With a fake, number 29, pass to number 3.
Yun!
Nice play, nice connection between the two. 2 points for number 3, Apulia. Extending the lead once again to 15 points. Number 8, 100, runner, yes sir. 4 minutes, 35 seconds, 4:35. Mabesa, number 5 now, thinking 3, pulls up, short. Number 23, defensive rebound, with a feed, and basket.
Yes, sir.
15, number 10, thinking 3, in and out. Number 5 with a rebound. Same ball from Norte Basketball. Almost a turnover. Recovered by number 29. Pass to number 3 and out of bounds. Naga City Basketball.
Napasobra na Nonoy.
Here's Libero. Pass to number 1. Pulls up for 3. Yes, sir, for 3.
Oh!
Number 5 with a touchdown.
Bawi.
Number 1. Pass to Kuya. Number 2 with a fake. Another fake. Number 1. Short. Number 4, Libero with offensive rebound. Pass to number 1, back to shoot. And soft runner. And another safety.
Yes!
Walang transition defense ang Naga City. Number 4, Libero. Runner. Number 8. Yes sir, for 2 points. Ayun na, na-check. Number 0, Lawyer. With a move. Pass.
Yes!
For 2 points. What a pass by the player, Attorney Abogado. Number 1, short.
Yun!
Stepping back, number 23, with a fake, kicks out, cross court, Dasilio, yes sir! Nice ball movement by Camorte. $14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Mata lang.
5.
Harap na. Ano player kaya? Oh! Oh!
Number 5.
Yun! Nice!
Anticipated by Naga City. Here's now number 10. Number 10. No good. And stolen by Libero. Pass to number 2. Same ball. Time out! Camarines Northern Province. There's a jump. Possession arrow. Naga City Basketball. 14 to shoot. Number 12. Number 4, with a fake. Pass to number teammate, basket count. Time to shoot. Number 4, pass to his teammate.
Yo!
There's a foul spotted against number 8. Number 8, that's your second personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Lucky Shoes bounce under a minute to play. 51 seconds, 51 segundos. And perfect from the Cherokees, number 9. Number 5, with a runner. Yes, sir. Basket count. 28 seconds. 20 seconds. No look pass to number 11. Basket count. May kasama pang foul again. Number 10. 16 seconds. Number 10, that's your third personal foul. First team foul. In and out, number 10 with the rebound. 15 seconds. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Basket count for 3. 3 seconds. 1. And the second period. And stolen by Naga City. Outlet pass to Libero with a fake. Overshoots. Number 3 with the rebound. Number 0. 10 to shoot. Cross court. Number 29. Yes, sir. Fourteen to shoot. 10. And number 5. The touchdown. Great, no good. Five for the loose ball. Number 10. Ten to shoot. Happy birthday, Dr. Joel Arroyo. Number 10. Basket, second penalty throw. Number 3, the rebound. Turnover out of bounds, Naga City basketball. Turnover, Naga City basketball. Number 8, 23. No good. Jump ball. Naga City basketball. Number 8. Nice play. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Eye in the sky play. Number 8, get his own. And put back for 2 points. Nice play for number 8. Cutting the lead to 12 points. Number 5. No good. Number 11. Turnover, Pangante basketball.
Ay!
Turnover, Naga City basketball. Libero. Turnover out of bounds from Norte basketball. Substitution left. Number 1 coming in, replacing the libero. $62 against 50. Number 0, inside pass to 11. Nice play.
Oh!
Timeout, Naga City. Number 6. Number 2. 8. 10 to shoot. Nice jumper. Number 7. Here's now number 0. Five to shoot, and stolen by number 7.
Oh!
And number 10 with a putback. Number 3, number 0. Ang bumangga, iba. Number 2. That's your 3rd personal foul, 2nd team foul. Number 6 behind the net. The foul spotted again. Number 3, holding foul. Number 3, that's your 1st personal foul, 2nd team foul. And into number 5, touchdown.
Yun! 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 Yes! Dale!
2 points again, back-to-back basket for Camarines Norte.
Isa pa! Yan!
Number 10 with a fake. Number 7. 10 to shoot. 5.
Yun! Ay!
Number 10 with a steal.
Sayang.
And back for 2 points. Number 5, fakes. Inside pass.
Ay! Ay!
Number 7 now. Nice play by number 7. 70-58. Time to shoot. Short. Number 29.
Yun!
Nice jumper. Number 6. 14 to shoot. 10 to back. 10 to shoot. And there is a leveling instruction. 1 minute 56 seconds. 56. Number 0. Number 5. Cross court. Jumper. Pass to his teammate. Number 2 with the rebound.
Sayang.
Left-handed layup. Basket.
Ay! Isa! Ay! Ay! Yun!
Number 6. Turns ball. Substitution. Rep. Number 8. Placing number 2.
Overage man na si number 2.
Number 12. Number 12, that's your first personal foul, third team foul. Nice inbound play. Under a minute to play.
Ay! Yes!
Nice. Hurry up. $25 seconds. Foul started against number 29. Holding foul. 29. That's your second personal foul. Third team foul. Pass to number 10. Yes, sir. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.
Yes!
End of the third quarter. Seconds to shoot. Number 3. Number 11. Turnover, out of bounds. Naga City Basketball. Number 8. Black by number 11. Same ball, 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 6. Number 8. Back to number 6. Pass to number 10. Favorite spot. No good this time. Number 3. Number 29. 14 to shoot. High in the sky.
Yes, ay, sayang.
Number 10. Pass to number 7. Number 10. Number 6. Number 0 now.
Pasa mo. Pasa mo. Ay! Bakit bagat na dyan mo pinagang tao?
And there's a foul spotted against number 3. Number 3, that's your second personal foul. First team foul. Number 7. 14 to shoot.
Yun.
Number 3.
Ay!
Stolen. Number 7.
Yun.
No good. Number 10. With a nice straight job. 81-65. 6 minutes, 55 seconds. Short. Number 8 now. Nice block. Traveling inflection. Some Norte basketball. Zero. Number 3. There's the foul. Spotted against number 8. Substitution. Number 2. Number 10 out. Another substitution. Number 5 coming in, replacing number 0. Number 3, basket. Number 6. Master number 8. Answer. No good.
Good.
Number 29 with the rebound. And there's a foul spotted against number 12. Holding foul. Number 12, that's your second personal foul, second team foul. 6 minutes, 18 seconds.
Ay, sayang. Yun! Ay!
Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Yes.
20-point lead now by Camdorte. 5 minutes, 55 seconds. 55. 14 to shoot. Same ball. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. Number 7. Short. Number 8. Nice. Looper.
Oh, diyan ka daw.
14 to shoot. There's a foul spotted against number 7. Substitution. Number 23. Replacing number 29. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 5.
Yun!
Nice basket. Time out, Naga City. Official score.
5 minutes pa.
10 to shoot. Basket number 4. 4 minutes, 58 seconds. Number 23 now. Out by Naga City. By number 29. And stolen by number 1. Outlet pass. And 5 points for number 4 of Naga City.
5 tulos.
Number 23 now. 14 to shoot. Time to shoot. Same ball. Time out. Chance to shoot. 6 seconds. Nice play. And completed by number 21. 29 rather. Maganteng. Maganteng. 14 to shoot. Deflected. And playing out of bounds. Naga City basketball.
Hoy! Ay! Yun! Yun! Pag! Ay! Yes! Ay!
There's a foul spot against number 10. Pushing foul. Number 10, that's your 4th personal foul. 4th team foul. And another foul spot against number 4. Penalty. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 25 seconds. 2-5. Second and final throw.
99 na. 99. Saro pa. Yun! Yes!
And the putback. Follow up by number 8. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes.
Yun!
There's a foul plus 2 push-ups and 2 free throws for number 7. Second and final throw for number 7. Basket. Flip. Here's now number 5. And a crossover.
Yes! Yan! Bilis!
Number 7. Yes, sir. Another steal. And another number 7 now. Pass to number 4. And 2 points. to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot.
Oras.
Number 5. Second and final throw.
Ano to nagagarayak na kamo?
Turnover. Naga City Basketball.
Dahil pa lang ay arayo pa oras. 1 minute. Makakahabol pa yan.
Minute to play.
Yun!
And stolen. There's a jump. Naga City Basketball. For to shoot and stolen by Convertes. Naga City Basketball, 33.8 seconds, 33.8 seconds, 14 to shoot. And stolen by Convertes. Mr.
Yay!
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. There's a foul spotted against number 23. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Five to shoot. And there's a foul. Number 5, 2 shots will be awarded to player number 1. 5.8 seconds. Perfect for the charity. 5.8 seconds. 5.8. Congratulations, Convertes, selection.